Alright y'all, what's going on? I'm gonna take the bike out today. I haven't really done a video talking about the bike. So the casings got separated and got sandblasted. The top end got ported. I'm sorry, it didn't get ported. It got bored over 1/2 mil. 64.5, 4 mil crank, brand new PWK carbs, 28 mils. This intake setup was donated from one of my guys, and it's working beautifully because it's all like small basically. We upped the domes to 21cc domes, so bumped the compression up. And what else did we do? Changed the front sprocket. What the fuck do we put? I forgot what we put. It's a 15 tooth up front and a 39 in the back. Yeah, 39, 15. It's pretty good. This rear shock was not on here before. This link was a Warrior one, so the bike was always low in the back. I didn't know. And obviously these T5 pipes was a change this time around too. The stock handlebar. But yeah, that's about it. And put some fuel in it, go for a spin. It's on pump 93. I run Castro 927, 3.5 ounces to every gallon. But that's just me though, you know. Yeah, one thing about these Meta glasses, they automatically stop recording after 3 minutes or so. So that's one thing you gotta pay attention to if you're using these Meta glasses or want to buy these Meta glasses.
I shouldn't have to shake it, I just stick it up in the can.
It feels so much better with the stock handlebar. Like the bar is higher up. There she is, boys. Got a couple flaws in her, but man, the thing is so much fun. It's fast as hell, very responsive. I really can't complain about how the bike is set up right now. This is how every Banshee should feel, for sure. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, a little ride along. And follow, subscribe for more, you know what I mean? Leave a comment what you think. Peace, y'all.